Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer affiliate traffic from YouTube descriptions to offers, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding your target audience and their interests. Research products or services that resonate with your audience. Select relevant affiliate programs that offer these products or services. Create a compelling call to action in your video content. Incorporate a natural mention of the affiliate offer while maintaining authenticity. Craft an engaging video description that highlights the key benefits of the offer. Include a clear and concise link to the affiliate offer in the description. Use keyword optimization to ensure your video is discoverable. Consider adding timestamps in your description for easier navigation. Make use of eye-catching thumbnails that attract viewers to your video. Monitor your analytics to understand how viewers engage with your description links. A/B test different descriptions or calls to action to optimize your approach. Engage with your audience in the comments section to foster a community. Regularly update your video descriptions to reflect current offers or promotions. Leverage social media platforms to share your video content and drive additional traffic. Collaborate with other creators to expand your reach and introduce new audiences to your offers. Stay informed about changes in affiliate programs and adjust your strategy accordingly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.